to my favorite batch ever. Okay. Congratulations on this day. I wish you all the best. I wish you nothing but success. I expect good things from you, and I expect great things from everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you, and congratulations again.
If you have a dream, if you're in a group of people and you want to be ahead, if you're on your bicycle, if you want to be on top of the mountain, you need to pedal harder and faster. That's very simple. And in cooking, it's exactly the same. If you want more, you need to work more. Consistency to work hard all the time. Working is very important.